J is for jail. John Campbell designed the 121-year-old Victorian-style courtyard facility. The historical significance of the Dunedin prison is that it is the only surviving building in New Zealand. Representing the Victorian courtyard prison, which is an important part of New Zealand history.
Knocked out jailbird, sing let it rock. Everybody let it rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Spider Murphy played his tenor saxophone. Little Joe was blowing on the slide trombone. The drummer boy from Illinois would crash, boom, bang. The whole rhythm section was a purple gang. Let it rock. Everybody let it rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Number 47 said to number 3, you were the cutest jailbird I ever did see. I sure would be delighted with your company. Come on and do the jailhouse rock with me. Let it rock. Everybody let it rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Rock, rock, rock.
K is for Kaitiaki. Dunedin is home to many majestic wildlife, including northern royal albatrosses, yellow-dye penguins, one of the rarest penguins in the world, little blue penguins, the smallest penguin in the world, tuatara, New Zealand first seals and sea lions, to name a few. Dunedin people, organisations and services like Orokonui Eco Sanctuary, the Dunedin Wildlife Hospital, Penguin Place, and the New Zealand Sea Lion Trust act as kaitiaki guardians for these beautiful creatures to make sure they are safe and looked after.
The mirror stares you in the face and says, baby, it don't work. You say your prayers, no, you don't care. You sing and you shake the Boogie Wonderland. Dance. Boogie Wonderland. Midnight creeps so slowly into hearts of men who need more than daylight steals on bad hands to both penguins who have played to
The mirror stares you in the face
and says, baby,
Brothers. ¿Qué? Loco me llaman, una señorita me enciende como flama la fiesta. Baila, baila muchachita, mi corazón tiene dinamita. ¡Bum!
Exacto, yo lo soy you, de to me, baby.
Tu papi pingüino. ¡Pública, pública!
Mambo.
Midnight creeps so slowly into hearts of men who need more.
K is also for core. The core is similar to the hoe. It is the best known and was the most widely used of all agricultural molding tools. Mainly a soil losing tool used by Dunedin for our settlers.
Road boy.
Purchase your track today.
Alice for Larnac Castle. Larnac Castle is New Zealand's only castle. It was built in 1871 by William Larnac for his beloved first wife, Eliza. It took more than 200 workers 3 years to build the castle shell. Master European craftsmen spent 12 full years furnishing the interior.